This 5-minute solution will show you how to see who viewed your Instagram highlights after 24 hours. Open your Instagram application and open your profile. Tap on this three-line icon at the top right. Tap on Archive. And here make sure to select Stories Archive. And then open the story or highlight. Tap on More at the bottom right. And here you will see Story Insights option. So all you have to do is just tap on that to see who viewed your Instagram highlights after 24 hours. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.